someone mentions the word climate change, it tends to get people all worked up about politics. People make assumptions about whether you're progressive or conservative based on ideas about climate change. The reality is that climate change is a description for the study of how weather trends are changing over time. So what do we mean when we talk about climate versus weather? Lots of people think climate is the same thing as weather, but weather is just the short-term changes in the atmosphere in a particular place. So just like over a few hours or weeks or maybe months, weather might be the temperature and precipitation caused by hurricanes here in Bismarck on a certain day. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, climate is different than weather because it refers to the long-term weather pattern in an area. Climate is typically averaged over 30 years. So what do you mean when we use the term climate change? The guide actively and more excited helps to describe what climate change is. Well, if we remember that climate refers to weather trends over a long period of time, when we study those trends, we can begin to see how our climate is changing. Those trends are what we refer to generally as climate change. More specifically, when we talk about climate change, we are referring to the warming trends where the Earth is warming. So one region might have a very cold winter, but the 30-year trends, the climate, show that over the past 30 years, winters are warmer with less snow than they used to be. So at the beginning, I said climate change usually gets people all political. What causes politics to get involved is when we start talking about what causes climate change. According to Tom Crowley in the article, Causes of Climate Change over the past 1,000 years, many scientists say that warming trends are due to human activities such as burning of fossil fuels. Others argue that there have been periods throughout Earth's history where the climate has changed with ice ages and warming, and what we are experiencing now is just a natural phenomenon. In conclusion, regardless of what you believe is the cause of climate change, science has proven that the Earth is getting warmer. We are seeing more drought, more wildfires, glaciers melting, and oceans rising. Climate change is real, and we need to figure out how to slow it down for future generations.